Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to do about factorization by negative 3x. Next, we have this one, and we see that we have s minus 2 to the power of 2. We divide by s minus 2 to the power of 2. We have this one, and 4s squared plus 1 divided by 4s squared plus 1. Now we have like this. Next, I will concentrate about this one first. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now if we do first the derivative of arctan of 2s, we have the u equal to the s over 4s squared plus 1, and we have number 2 in here. Because we do first the derivative of 2s, that's why we have number 2. 4s squared, that is about 2s to the power of 2. Now, because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. The s over 4s squared plus 1 we change by this one. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. Number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. About u, that is about this one. Now we concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus 2. Because we have s, so I will put negative number 2 go to the left, and we have u plus 2 equals to s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. This one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by the u. So we put number 3 going here. So this one divide by this one. Number 2 divide by this one. So we have 1 over u plus 2 over u squared. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over u, and I will put about c. Now, about u, that is about s minus number 2. Now we have the final answer. So the integration of this one that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.